So we're gonna use this pair of jeans, and that's the original one. We're gonna cut it right here, like that, right there, and right there. So essentially, taking that, merging it in there. Color combination isn't the best, but I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty good color combination. I see the vision in it, so I think this is gonna be a certified hood classic. So yeah, okay. We got the panels taken out, 1, 2. We're gonna put that in the next one. We're gonna cut the insides out, and we're gonna pin it down. I just took the hem out just to make it a little bit longer. So you see that right there? So the hem is out, so it's gonna give that a nice raw edge finish right there, and the same on the other side. So we just gotta flip it out, and essentially, yeah, we're gonna start stitching it now. Open the inside panel out, and we're gonna get to clipping it. So yeah, that's right there. We're gonna clip it right there. Don't know why the quality was so bad for a second, but yeah, we're gonna get that all sorted right now. All right, here we go. So it's all pinned up now. Let me lay it out flat like this, all pinned up. Give me a place.
You know those outros are just like.
Why is there a pink
Look
Christmas?
at that.
It's not even Christmas. It's not even Halloween. Why is there Christmas?
But people go crazy for Christmas.
Or. Oi, oi, oi. You don't like me. So, we got spray paint, but I don't think any of these are really the spray paint I'm looking for, because these are for more like metal and wood. I don't know where the fabric paint is. So, screen print. Oh yeah, here, craft spray, artist spray. I think it would have been here, you know? Yeah, it would have been somewhere here, because this is like for wood. It's not for really like
Clothes,
actually,
right?
yeah. Instead of doing this, actually, do you think we should do both?
No,
No?
I don't think so. I think you should do these ones.
No, I would just do one though. What
white?
is this? White, yeah, I like the white. This is the secret sauce to spray painting your clothes, because this is when you use it, the thing is, if you use it just like this, it's bad. But if you have a screen print, like a heat press, it makes it so much better, because if you just use it by itself, it doesn't even come out. So, and it's $10, so it's expensive for a reason. So you can see the patches on the bottom. They're like, you can't notice them up close, but if you look at it closely, it's more noticeable. And they're pretty baggy, right? Right?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. And yeah, I'm just gonna bleach and dye it now. It's a little bleach like right here on the legs, but I'm gonna bleach it a bit more, and then we're gonna dye it a different color, then we're gonna spray paint it. Now this is the bleach. I put the bleach in here, and we're gonna basically, I'm just gonna go over a couple times until it's like really soaked in. So that's what we're gonna do. The dye is like still sitting in there with the bleach. You have to wash the dye out. So you have to wash it out after you bleach it, so that when you dye it, then it dyes properly. So that's what we're gonna do. And then after we're gonna wash it out, we're gonna spray paint it as well. And then we're gonna dye it first, then spray paint after. That's the last step. So. Oh my god, I did like a video. Tell me if the lighting's good. But
Oh, that looks good.
This is how it came out after I bleached it. So I'm just gonna wash the bleach out so that it dyes properly. But look, how does that look?
Amazing.
Cool. So now turn around and this is the back.
Okay.
Already we used a bit of it. You can see inside. Now we're gonna do a little of that. Is there like a mixer I have? Okay, so in order to get the dye out, you literally have to rinse it over and over and over until the water becomes clear. So you don't mess up your washing machine. So look, this is already after one rinse. How blue the water is. And this is only one rinse. First rinse. This was clear water before. You gotta keep doing it, keep doing it. You gotta press it out, and it's really hard with jeans because it really sticks to the denim. Like look, this is dripping blue. So this is probably the longest and the worst part about dyeing, so don't dye. Alright, so they're dry now. Now the next plan is to spray paint them, and then we're going to screen print them. And then that's going to be it for these pants. So I'm using the edge of this like McDonald's card here just to really push it in. Because it will keep the adhesive on without burning the ink, because I've had this happen where I just put it boom straight on and it burns the ink. It makes the white turn brown. So in order to prevent that, we put a Teflon sheet in between so it transfers properly. So that's why you do that. That's why you do that. Especially for ink, you're supposed to do that. So now look, so I'll put it on, covers the surface, and you put it down, press it down. I'm gonna make it look tight. I'll show you guys the end result. It's just heating up the whole leg, so we have to do the whole panel. Since I have to heat press the dye, I have to heat press the spray paint, and the ink I also screen printed on, and then as well as the blue stuff I sprayed earlier. So that is just a tedious process. So I'll show you guys how it looks in the end after it's washed and everything, or maybe after this, but we'll see. Okay, bye. Alright, we just finished heat pressing. These are the came out. But it's not washed yet, so it might actually look a little bit different after it's washed. But this is how it's coming out. How does it look? Good, good. I think the blue might wash away, honestly, but we'll see. We'll see how it comes out after. So these are how they look now. Typically when I wash it, a little bit of the spray paint comes out, and a little bit of the blue is going to come out. And I'm not sure if the coloring is going to be a little more jean-like, or if it's going to be this dark indigo. But we will see. That's the whole point of trial and error. And yeah, we'll see you once it's all washed, and then I'll put the... Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm wearing the jeans. So we're going to do a photo shoot basically outside with me wearing the jeans. We're gonna get a snack first, obviously, but I'm gonna take a couple of videos for the TikTok, a couple of photos to post online as well, and maybe on the Instagram. So yeah, that's the plan right now. So we gonna do that and then come home. And I haven't even showed the jeans yet, so I should probably show that too. But yeah, we will show that soon. All right, chat. Okay, so the vision is we're gonna take some pictures,
a
few pictures right there. And we're gonna take it under the bridge, and we're gonna take it off the jeans, and that's how they look. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Alright, so here we are finishing up. We're gonna take some product photos, nothing too crazy. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.